Welcome to a presentation on expressive self-portraits using punch needling and mindfulness with art educators Ayesha and Alelib. Today we will be creating punch needling art while practicing mindfulness. But what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a mental state of being aware of where we are and what we're doing and how we're feeling. It is about paying attention and allowing oneself to be fully present in the moment. This practice is used to relieve stress and refocus the mind. How does mindfulness relate to punch needling? The process of punch needling allows your mind to rest. The repetitive movements, as well as the soothing sound of the needle that pushes through the fabric, allows you to disconnect from your surroundings. Breathe in, stitch up. Breathe out, stitch down. The art of punch needling. Punch needling is a form of embroidery that dates back hundreds or maybe even thousands of years. Until recently, this technique was not accepted as a form of art, just like many other fiber arts, such as weaving and quilt making. Punch needling involves using a punching needle tool with yarn thread through it to punch through a woven fabric. The result of this embroidery technique is a highly textured design made of raised loops. Artist examples from modern punch needlers. As we learned, punch needling was not accepted by the definition of traditional art. Because of this, there are not many historical examples of famous work using this technique. There are, however, lots of modern punch needlers, including these two, Arona Koronaraj and Jamie Bennett. Both of these artists use graphic art styles to create works and to create punch needling items like rugs, punch needle pillows, and wearables like purses. Now let's get to our expressive activity. Students will be able to design an expressive logo of either their name or their initials to punch needle onto a piece of fabric. Remember to be mindful. When you punch needle a design that you create that represents you, you will not only receive the benefits of mindfulness and being present, but you will also have a beautiful and unique piece of artwork at the end of the day.
Watch this first video on what materials you'll need for punch needling. Now let's wrap and prep your embroidery hoop. Watch this quick video and all the instructions. Now let's learn how to thread our actual punch needle. You'll need yarn, your needle threader, and then your needle punch.
Thank you for participating in our Expressive Self-Portraits activity using punch needling and mindfulness. Remember, mindfulness can be practiced no matter where you are or what you're doing. In a world of constant motion, it is important to take a moment to breathe and be present. Thank you. A special thanks to Towson's occupational therapy students, Emily Freisner, Anthony Lyons, and Reese Miller, for their advice on adaptations for this workshop.